Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
How old are you?
I am 15 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Are you busy?
No, I am free.
Can you help me?
Sure, I can help.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me?
Yes, how can I help you?
Sorry.
That's okay.
What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Can you repeat that?
Of course.
I don't understand.
Let me explain.
How was your day?
It was great.
What are you doing?
I am studying.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Where do you live?
I live in Delhi.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I do.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Can I sit here?
Yes, you can.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
What happened?
Nothing special.
How can I get there?
Go straight ahead.
Do you need help?
Yes, please.
What would you like to eat?
I would like a sandwich.
Can I use your phone?
Sure.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine.
What are your plans today?
I will study at home.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I do.
Which sport do you like?
I like cricket.
Where is the bathroom?
It is over there.
Can I ask a question?
Of course.
What is this?
It is a book.
Who is that?
That is my friend.
Are you tired?
A little.
Would you like to join us?
Yes, I'd love to.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
What are you looking for?
I am looking for my bag.
How much is this?
It is $10.
When will you come?
I will come tomorrow.
Have a nice day.
You too.
See you later.
See you.
Are you at home?
Yes, I am.
Where are you going?
I am going to school.
Can I come with you?
Yes, you can.
What are you reading?
I am reading a book.
Do you like this movie?
Yes, it is very interesting.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play cricket.
What did you do yesterday?
I visited my friend.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, very much.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I will go shopping.
Can you wait a minute?
Sure.
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, much better.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
What do you want to do?
I want to watch TV.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Have you finished your homework?
Yes, I have.
Can I borrow your pen?
Of course.
What is your phone number?
It is 987-654-32010.
Do you know the answer?
Yes, I do.
Why are you smiling?
Because I am happy.
What are you thinking about?
I am thinking about my future.
Are you free this evening?
Yes, I am.
Would you like to go out?
That sounds great.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I spend time with my family.
How often do you exercise?
3 times a week.
Can you open the door?
Sure.
Do you like this place?
Yes, it is beautiful.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
What is the weather like?
It is sunny today.
Do you need anything?
No, thank you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, clearly.
What are you learning?
I am learning English.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, I have one.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Can I help you with that?
Yes, please.
Are you coming today?
Yes, I am.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I do.
Which animal do you like most?
I like dogs the most.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, certainly.
What would you like to drink?
I would like some juice.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Where did you buy this?
I bought it online.
Are you ready to start?
Yes, let's begin.
Can you show me how?
Sure, I will show you.
What are you waiting for?
I am waiting for my friend.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
Good luck.
Thank you.
What are you doing right now?
I am studying English.
Are you enjoying the class?
Yes, very much.
Can you tell me the way?
Sure, follow me.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Frozen.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading.
Which book are you reading?
I am reading a mystery novel.
Can you help me carry this?
Of course.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I had toast and tea.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I do.
Which vegetable do you like most?
I like carrots the most.
What time does the train leave?
It leaves at 6.
Are you coming to the party?
Yes, I am.
Who invited you?
My friend invited me.
Can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
What do you do in your free time?
I like listening to music.
Do you watch TV every day?
No, I don't.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Are you interested in sports?
Yes, very interested.
Which team do you support?
I support my local team.
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, a little.
What are your hobbies?
Reading and drawing.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, they're relaxing.
Why are you late?
The traffic was heavy.
Have you seen my bag?
No, I haven't.
Can you lend me some money?
Sure, how much do you need?
What is your favorite drink?
Lemonade is my favorite.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love it.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a small town.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Can you explain this to me?
Certainly.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a doctor.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, it's very useful.
How long have you been here?
For 2 hours.
Can I take a photo?
Yes, you can.
What are you looking at?
I am looking at the map.
Do you know her?
Yes, she's my friend.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with family.
Can you recommend a good book?
Yes, I can.
What did you buy?
I bought a new shirt.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, sometimes.
What are you afraid of?
I am afraid of heights.
Can I join your group?
Yes, welcome.
What is your favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite.
Do you enjoy traveling by plane?
Yes, I do.
How was the trip?
It was wonderful.
Can you wait here?
Sure, no problem.
What are you planning to do?
I am planning a vacation.
Do you remember me?
Yes, I do.
What do you think about it?
I think it's a great idea.
See you tomorrow.
See you then.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you have a good day?
Yes, I did.
What brings you here?
I came to meet a friend.
Can I speak to you for a minute?
Sure.
Do you need a ride?
Yes, please.
Where would you like to go?
I would like to go downtown.
Are you sure?
Yes, absolutely.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is photography.
Can you come tomorrow?
Yes, I can.
What are you doing this weekend?
I am visiting my grandparents.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love it.
Which flavor do you like?
Chocolate is my favorite.
Can I have a look?
Of course.
What is your favorite song?
I like pop songs.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice and vegetables.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, a little.
Would you like some juice?
Yes, please.
Can you turn on the light?
Sure.
Why are you laughing?
Because it is funny.
Have you met him before?
Yes, I have.
What did he say?
He said hello.
Do you have any plans tonight?
No, not yet.
Can I sit next to you?
Yes, you can.
What are you writing?
I am writing a letter.
Do you enjoy drawing?
Yes, very much.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9.
Can you hear the music?
Yes, I can.
Do you like this restaurant?
Yes, the food is great.
What are you talking about?
We are talking about travel.
Can you teach me English?
Yes, I'd be happy to.
Where is your friend?
He is outside.
Did you call me?
Yes, I did.
What would you like to do now?
Let's take a walk.
Can you close the window?
Sure.
Do you have a favorite sport?
Yes, swimming, it was relaxing.
What are your strengths?
I am hardworking and honest.
Can you recommend a movie?
Yes, I know a good one.
Do you enjoy cooking at home?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite fruit?
Strawberries are my favorite.
Can I use your charger?
Of course.
Where did you learn English?
I learned it at school.
Are you ready for the test?
Yes, I am prepared.
What are you saving money for?
I am saving for a trip.
Can you help me with my homework?
Sure, I can help.
Did you understand the lesson?
Yes, I understood it.
Have a great evening.
Thank you, you too.
Take care.
You too.